Why did the villager throw a spear at José? José went out into the forest and found one banana, one quetzal feather, and one piece of obsidian. He figured that all of these were worth the same amount, so he offered the villager to trade one banana for a quetzal feather. The villager got mad and threw a spear at José. Why on earth would he do that? It's all about the distribution. Let's look at a graph that shows how many you found of each item on an average day. Do you remember that distribution is how things are divided? You can have a distribution like this that shows the number of each item found in the forest on an average day. This distribution shows how the items you found were divided among the four categories: cacao beans, bananas, quetzal feathers, and salt. Another kind of distribution could show how often something occurs. You went out in the rainforest looking for bananas on 11 different days. This table shows what you found. May 1st, you found 25 bananas. May 2nd, 15. May 3rd, you found 1. May 4th, 39. And the 5th, you found 20. You can look at the graph like this, but it doesn't tell you very much except how many bananas you found on a particular day. So this day you found 20. How would a mathematician look at the distribution? First, make a table that shows how many days you found each number of bananas. So one day you found 1, 15 you found on 1 day, 18 you found on 2 days, 20 you found on 3 days, 22 on 2 days, and 25 and 39 you each found on 1 day. When you graph this table, it is much easier to understand your distribution. You can see 3 things right away. 1. There was only one day that you found less than 15 bananas. This one right here, that's it. Every other day you found 15 or more. 2. There are only 2 days that you found less than 18 bananas. These 2 days. 1 you found 1, 1 you found 15. Another way of saying that is that on 9 out of the 11 days, or 82% of the time, you found 18 bananas or more. The most common number of bananas found in a day is 20. On 3 days, you found 20 bananas. There's 20, 3 days. When we talk about the average day, like the number of bananas that you can expect to find in an average day, that doesn't mean you will find exactly 20 bananas every day. Let's find the average of our distribution of days of banana gathering. How would I do that? First, we compute the total number of bananas found. Multiply the number of bananas by number of days we found that number. One day we found 1. We found 15 on 1 day. 18 we found on 2 days, so 18 times 2 is 36. 20 times 3 days we found that is 60, and so on. And then add that column, the 1, the 15, the 36, the 60, all the way down until you come up to 220, which is the total number of bananas found. Second, we add up the number of days. And all of those days add up to 11 different days that we went out hunting bananas. Third, we divide the number of bananas by the number of days. So 220 divided by 11. 220 bananas divided by the 11 days we went out hunting them comes out to 20 bananas average per day. If you didn't know, now you know. Another word for the average is the mean. Still, why was the villager so angry with José? The answer is because he thought José was trying to cheat him. On that one day that he went into the forest, José found one quetzal feather and one banana, so he thought they were of equal value. However, on the average day, you would find 20 times as many bananas as quetzal feathers. José missed the ideas of mean, average, and variability, that data points in a distribution can be different from one another. He's lucky that the spear from the villager missed him.